Plant FAQs. Alocasia plumbae. Alocasia plumbae. Unveiling the allure of the purple passion plant. Hi, Ferbvu here, and I'm a devoted plant enthusiast. Today, we delve into the captivating world of the Alocasia plumbae, also known as the purple passion plant. This stunning Alocasia boasts a unique combination of colors and textures, making it a coveted addition to any indoor jungle. See more 90 species in genus Alocasia, elephant ears at monsterholic.com. What is an Alocasia plumbae? The Alocasia plumbae is a captivating tropical perennial belonging to the Araceae family. It's prized for its mesmerizing foliage. The leaves are a deep, glossy green with a hint of black, earning it nicknames like the black velvet or Metallica Alocasia. The undersides boast a mesmerizing silver-purple sheen, adding another layer of visual intrigue. These beauties are known for their upright growth habit, with the dark green leaves held aloft by striking deep purple petioles, stems. The vibrant purple hues extend to the veins on the underside of the leaf, creating a truly captivating contrast. There's also a rarer variety called the Alocasia plumbae flying squid. This miniature version features even smaller, tentacle-shaped leaves, resembling a squid in flight, hence the playful nickname. Alocasia plumbae versus other Alocasia varieties. Finding your perfect fit. The Alocasia family is vast and diverse, offering a plethora of options for plant lovers. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide if the Alocasia plumbae is your perfect match. Alocasia zebrina. This popular Alocasia shares the upright growth habit, but features zebra-like stripes on its leaves, making it a bolder choice. Alocasia frydek. Another favorite, the frydek boasts textured, puckered leaves with a silvery sheen. It thrives in similar conditions to the Alocasia plumbae. Alocasia silver dragon. Known for its dramatic, deeply lobed silvery green leaves, the silver dragon requires slightly more humidity than the Alocasia plumbae. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference and the light and humidity levels in your home. How to care for Alocasia plumbae. Providing the right care is essential for your Alocasia plumbae to flourish. Here's a breakdown of its key needs. Light. Alocasia plumbae prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Maintain consistent moisture but avoid soggy soil. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is ideal. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help raise humidity levels. Soil. Well-draining, aerated potting mix is crucial. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark is a good option. Temperature. Aim for consistent temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations. Fertilizer. During the growing season, fertilize your Alocasia plumbae with a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer once a month. With proper care, your Alocasia plumbae will reward you with stunning foliage for years to come. Common Alocasia plumbae problems and solutions. Troubleshooting for a thriving plant. Even with the best intentions, issues can arise. Here are some common Alocasia plumbae problems and how to address them. Yellowing leaves. This could indicate overwatering, lack of light, or nutrient deficiency. Adjust your watering schedule, provide brighter light, or fertilize if needed. Brown spots on leaves. This might be caused by sunburn, low humidity, or fungal infection. Move the plant away from direct sunlight, increase humidity, and treat with a fungicide if necessary. Drooping leaves. This often signifies underwatering. Water your plant thoroughly when the top inch of soil dries out. By keeping an eye on your Alocasia plumbae and addressing any issues promptly, you can ensure it thrives. Propagating your Alocasia plumbae. Sharing the purple passion. Alocasia plumbae can be propagated through division, allowing you to share its beauty with others or expand your own collection. Here's a simplified approach. Carefully remove your Alocasia plumbae from its pot. Look for pups, baby plants, growing at the base of the mother plant. Gently separate the pups using a sterilized knife, ensuring each pup has some roots attached. Plant the pups in individual pots filled with well-draining potting mix. Water them lightly and provide bright, indirect light. With proper care, your propagated Alocasia plumbae pups should establish themselves within a few weeks. Be patient, as they won't grow as quickly as the mature plant. But with consistent moisture, bright indirect light, and well-draining soil, you'll soon be witnessing the captivating new growth of your plant progeny. Propagating your Alocasia plumbae is a rewarding experience, allowing you to witness the entire life cycle of this captivating foliage plant.